Where did you compile this library from?
Is this Curly Vlogs? Hey you guys.
Hey you guys. Dubai out here looking like Venice Beach. This area in Dubai is super ghetto. I've never lived here, but for some reason I really like it. It's like OG Dubai, you know? This is where it all started. It has a good vibe to it. Hey vlog, how you guys doing? Talk to me. What is it you're feeling? Talk to the elves. Don't you guys feel weird watching a human being on the internet? It's so pretty, man. It's lickable. I just want to rest my tongue on it. I just want to. That guy was looking at me like I'm crazy. I'm on the hunt for a dead cat. That's the windshield that you put on the microphone, so it blocks out all the wind noise. Nobody has it for this microphone. And I found one online, but I only found it on B&H Photo in the States. So I'm gonna try to find one here next to us. Maybe this place has. Hold on. Hi.
Hi sir, good evening.
Good evening. Do you guys have dead cats? The windshield for the microphone?
No, out of stock at the moment. For road.
For road.
You can try Virgin, sir.
Jumbo doesn't have it. Nobody's gonna have it. Jumbo didn't have it. I don't know why it's so hard to find. Anyway, you guys are gonna have to bear with me until I find one. It's not even that noticeable. I'm just really OCD about this stuff. Hey, Ivy Park. Shout out Beyonce. Hit me up, Beyonce. We can collab. You can be on my vlog. Quick studio session. She has to record something. What are we doing? Why are we here right now?
Recording a voiceover for OSN.
Look at this composer composing. Ooh-wee. If there's one thing I like to do, it's composing. If you ask me what my favorite thing to do is, I would say it's composing. See, when I wake up in the morning, the first thing I think about is what to compose next. Look at this awesome logo. She designed it herself. And it matches her tattoo, which you cannot see because it's too dark. Get ready for some grain just for the sake of this tattoo. Bam! And now I'm gonna grab some sound effects for you guys. Just you wait. Just you wait. Insert some right here. Hold on though, I don't get why it's show me the size. It's 173 GB for sound effects?
Yes.
That's ridiculous, dude.
Okay, so I'm gonna give you the whooshes. But like monster sounds?
What is monster sounds? Play one, مثلا. Could definitely use stuff like that.
Yeah, so you need all of these. This is a bicycle, this is a clock.
How do you go through this? How do you...
All you have to do is just search.
This folder in specific, I feel like I'm never gonna use.
Never. Okay, Hollywood Foley effects.
Oof. This is years and years of experience just compiled into her hard drive. I mean, she has so much shit that she's been working on throughout her career. Show me the other one.
Take the flash.
Oh, she's giving me the whole folder. She's crazy!
She crazy!
Ooh, the master seat is empty. I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna sit on it. Alright, and we're rolling. Wait, let me look like I'm composing. I'm not doing anything. I don't know what I'm doing. The master at work. Best composer and sound engineer in Dubai.
Tickle your taste buds.
Where did you get these sound effects from?
It's years of compiling from different places, different people, different realms. Some of the sound effects in this library, you hear them in fucking movies. Okay, save.
You safely ejected, or you just turned off the computer? Can you imagine living your life like that? That's what Casey does. He goes and then he comes back. You're in such an arrestable position right now. Trying to find a good location to get a banner picture with like a nice background. It should already be up by the time you see this vlog. Check the banner, tell me what you think. How tiny this cookie is, I can't deal with tiny stuff. Oh, by the way, look at this. Apparently they're putting this sign on all restaurants and projects that are started in Dubai by locals, by Emiratis. I find that pretty cool, to be honest. They're supporting their own people, they're helping the local economy. It's good, that's good stuff.